Brody was a shiny black Labrador with a waggy tail and a nose that could sniff out anything. He lived with Dr. Nancy, a kind scientist who worked in a big lab full of bubbling beakers, glowing rocks, and spinning machines. Brody wasn't just any dog, he was a science pup. Every morning, Brody would put on his special lab coat and follow Dr. Nancy to work. "Let's go discover something new today," she'd say, and Brody would bark, "Woof," which meant, "Let's go." One day, Dr. Nancy showed Brody a strange plant. "This is a Venus flytrap," she explained. "It's a plant that eats bugs." Brody tilted his head. "Plants that eat? That sounded like magic." Dr. Nancy smiled. "Want to help me do an experiment, Brody?" Brody wagged his tail and sat like a good helper. "First," she said, "we'll observe the plant. That means we watch it closely to learn how it behaves." Brody got very still, nose twitching with curiosity. They placed a small fruit fly near the plant's mouth. Snap! The Venus flytrap closed its leafy jaws in a blink. Brody jumped back, surprised, then barked in amazement. "That's called a reaction," said Dr. Nancy, "when something changes because of something else." Next, Dr. Nancy gave Brody his favourite job, recording the data. He pressed a button with his paw and a camera clicked a photo. Brody's data notebook kept track of each snap and snack. Later that day, they met a group of kids visiting the lab. "Everyone, this is Brody the science pup," said Dr. Nancy. "Today, he's going to help teach us about plants that move." Brody proudly showed the Venus flytrap and helped Dr. Nancy explain. "Not all plants just sit still. Some react to touch, light, or even sounds." One girl asked, "Is Brody a scientist too?" "He sure is," said Dr. Nancy. "He helps ask questions, make observations, and share what we learn." At the end of the day, Brody curled up by his beloved owner's feet, his lab coat a little wrinkled, his nose a little tired. "Good job today, Brody," she whispered. "You're the best science pup ever." Brody wagged his tail once and fell asleep, dreaming of plants that could dance.